Welcome to my channel. My name is Judy, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of my Amazon favorites. I do have some random pieces here and there, some home decor, some clothing items, some cleaning products, a few little other things. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with this shirt. Yes, it's from Amazon. Can you believe it? I really liked how it has a little square right here in the chest area. And I just wanted to start with this because I have it on, and I have it on so you guys can see the fit of it. I actually really like this. This shirt goes with pretty much everything. You can dress it up and down. So it's one of your must-haves in your closets that you need. You can literally wear it with everything. Next, I have cane socks. I know this is really random, but they're just really comfy socks. They're like the perfect length if you want to wear your tennies or whatever. Comes with a pack of 10. Comes with 10 pairs. Next, I have these clear organizers. So it came in a pack of 10. So it comes with 4 of these little ones, 4 of these, and then 2 more longer ones of these. They're just really great for organizing. I organized my spices here, so the rest of them are already in use. I thought it was a good deal that this came with 10s, because at the store usually if you find one on its own it's like $3, so it's better to get the whole set than pay extra individual. Does that make any sense? I don't know. Anyways, next I have this little garlic press. I recently started, in this quarantine, I started kind of cooking more, like trying to learn how to cook more, and I did a seafood boil and it required a lot of garlic. So I feel like I took longer trying to chop off those little garlics without cutting myself than the whole meal. But I don't know where I saw this, but obviously I had to go on Amazon to check if they have it, and they have a variety of these, but this one's, the one I picked was just like a little cheaper, but it still does the job. So what you do is you just add the garlic in there, and then and voila, you have your minced garlic right away. And just can't believe nobody told me about these. Like, what the fuck? This thing that is up next is really random, but if you have carpet, buy this product, Folex. Literally just spray this in your carpet. You gotta saturate it a lot with a little mancha that you're gonna have. And then I don't know if you have gloves. Some people, I think they do it with their fingers. So you just like go like this, and then you pat it down with like a little waya, and your stain is gone. So if you guys have carpets, or you know how white is in right now, so if you guys have white furniture, this even removes the stains from your chairs or couches, whatever. Okay, so next up I have this little pack of essential oils. I didn't used to use essential oils before, but I purchased this because, first of all, I wanted to like clarify the air, because I was paranoid of the virus back then, last month. And anyways, I wanted to purchase this for my husband because I heard that eucalyptus helps with breathing, because he gets really bad allergies, especially during this time of the year. So usually at night I like to drop some lavender. Freaking elotero is always interrupting my videos. Okay, anyways, what I was saying was that I like to mix lavender and the eucalyptus at night, because lavender is supposed to be relaxing, and eucalyptus, it would, you know, help you breathe. So I wanted to put that for my husband. And then whenever I'm cleaning during the day, I like to add like sweet orange with like peppermint or tea tree, and then it just makes the house fresher. I don't know, I can't explain it. And then I like that it comes with this little card, and then it tells you, like, for example, the lavender one is for soothing, normalizing, balancing, and relaxing. And then tea tree is cleansing, purifying, renewing. Like, it tells you what the oils are good for. Another thing I'm gonna show you guys that I really love is my laptop case. It's like this really pretty nude color, and it's like matte feeling. I don't know, I like the feeling of it. At first I was scared. I thought it was gonna be like super like plasticky, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it is plastic, but on top of that it has like a really like matte feel to it. And then this one does come with like the little cleaner for the screen. It does come with the screen protector, I think it does. I need to check, but I haven't put it on there. I need to clean it, sorry. But it does come with the matching keyboard cover. So this little thing, it kind of reminds me of like the phone. Well, this one's a little bit more rubbery, but it kind of reminds me of it. But yeah, I really love this. What the frick? The next thing is this little file folder. You can obviously store it like this or like this. I thought it was super cute, so you can be a little bit more organized. Adulting life now. So yeah, so I just, you know, have my passport in here, my birth certificate, like our marriage certificates, or like these, all of that type of stuff. So, and it's pretty spacious because I have all of our, like, the birth certificates, and there's still a lot of room in this, but it doesn't look thick, you know, compared to other folders. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. They have other colors in there. They have like a really cute like baby blue one, a purple one, but I just got the pink one because they looked extra girly. Next up is home decor. I purchased this statue of Diana. I think she's a Roman goddess. Don't come after me if I'm wrong. Still trying to like decorate this room, so I was trying to look for pieces to, you know, decorate the room, obviously, because Home Goods is closed. Yeah, so I just thought she was really pretty. It's not, I don't know what kind of materials this is. It's not, I don't think it's glass, but it's not plastic either, so I have no idea. But it's sturdy, and I just feel like she'll look good on top of some books or something, you know. And then my favorite out of this whole little haul thing is this little David statue. Well, it's actually like a planter statue, you know, but I put some paper in there because the main reason that I got it was so that I can use it as my little makeup brush holder. Obviously you can use it as a planner, or you can put your pans if you want this on your desk. I just think it looks really good on my vanity. So yeah.